Okay, in this video I will attempt to take do-it-yourself to the next level by making uh, silicone rubber from hardware store silicone. Here is the hardware store silicone. Okay, I will try to thin it first with the acetone, and then I'll try to add uh, silicone oil to make the ending result softer. So it's my understanding that silicone hardware store silicone has a shorter hardness of 38 to 40 I want to bring it down to say 30, 40, something like that, below A. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I put 4 parts silicone. Okay, this is 7.5 milligrams. So now I'll put 2 parts acetone to thin it. Okay, let me see. It's kind of hard to do this while holding the phone. Yeah, let me put the phone down for a second. Okay, so I've been stirring it for quite a while. I don't think it's gonna get any thinner than that. I wanted to get it thinner, but we'll have to settle with this. Um, it is 1 part silicone, hardware store silicone, 4 parts acetone, um, which if you multiply times 4 is 16 parts. Uh, 16 parts acetone and 4 parts uh, hardware store silicone. And we're gonna add 1 part silicone oil. Okay. All right. So 1 part silicone oil, and now let's mix that. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video for a little bit. Okay, so I made sure that it's evenly spread. As for curing, it is my understanding that it will take between 1 day to 2 days. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. So stay tuned and we'll find out if this works. So it's been a couple of days. Um, it was still sticky. So I added some talcum powder and it made it non-sticky. This is the result. So not too bad, not too bad. Um, yeah, in the United States, EcoFlex is goes for $200 per gallon, I believe, and that is not too bad either. However, where I'm at, it's $300, so it might make more. It would make more sense to do it this way, but I don't know if the results are gonna come out as good as EcoFlex. Okay, that's it for now.